And I want to go back to that place where you said मुझे makeup करना नहीं आता था. Then what happened? Like you actually thought in your mind that I can be an actor, I love doing this, but makeup नहीं आता.
I mean, you know, in the Film Institute, you really are in a bubble. I had absolutely no idea that I needed to learn how to do makeup, and that's actually a flaw of the curriculum. They needed to sort of teach you that, you know, so that you can come to. We were just not presentable. We were these people who used to sit and watch films at the institute. 6 से 9 बजे पजामे में बैठे हुए wisdom tree के नीचे, and we are like, oh, we are breathing cinema. You know, that used to be the thing, and we thought that would make us get work in Bombay. But that was also fine, you know, because that you don't find again. You can learn all this along the way, but the time to watch films, to sit and read, to look at artwork in a library, that does not come back. You will probably not get to watch Tarkovsky now if you're not seeking it, you know. So that I think is irreplaceable, and an institute should have that kind of an environment. But when I came to Bombay, I learned how to do makeup. I called a friend whose friend was a model. I went to her and I said, please mujhe sikha do. And I did that and then just learned along the way. If you see some of my early photos, there's some pretty bad makeup.
Now, of course, there's an army of people who actually do this. It's a very different sort of context. But I want to ask both of you, coming from, you know, backgrounds that were professional, military, salaried, academic, what were some of the things that you told yourselves, we love some parts of this industry, but we're not going to embrace the other parts because they're not us?
I mean, anything that helps me create more opportunity to do work that I want to do.
You will do.
I will
do it. Fair.
I will decide how much I want to do it. The things that I won't do is celebrate misogyny or be part of a propaganda film. You know, I won't do. Those things are non-negotiable for me. But otherwise, I think any kind of machinery which sort of supports the idea that you can enable yourself to do the work that you want to do, I will do it.
So you would not have accepted Animal?
No.
I think I asked Rashmika Mandana this question, and she argued that, but we're actors, and we don't have to play parts that we agree with. But I think your point is, it's not the actor, it's the institutionalization or the respectability given to the misogyny that's the problem.
Exactly. I mean, I would be very, very happy to play an actor who play a character whose politics is not in sync with mine.
And you often do.
And I often do. I mean, I am not Beena Tripathi in real life. I don't go around killing people and violating men. But I'm very.
Mike.
Yeah, maybe, who knows.
But आपको डर लग रहा है कि ये मार देंगी?
नहीं, अभी ऐसे लग रहा है अब मैं पास में बैठ सकती हूँ. पहले लग रहा था कि शायद मार देंगी.
Sorry, I just wanted to complete that thought.
It
was that, you know, I'm very excited to play a character whose politics is not in sync with mine. That's wildly exciting to me as a performer, because then I have to go and understand a mind which I have not understood, and that to me is why I do what I do.
Sure.
But it's important for me that the politics of the project is aligned with mine. Sometimes, as an actor, you get misled on that, and my biggest fear is one day I'll find myself
in something you don't like or can't defend.
The politics of the film will not be aligned with mine, and I would not have known that before, you know. And sometimes actors don't know that.
Yeah.
It's easy to get
because someone's doing a script reading or whatever, and you don't know how it's going to be put together later, and what that. Do you regret something you've done or taken or accepted?
No, but I was almost going to, and I didn't.
Share. You can't. Okay.
But